For this next one, we have 5 and 13. We want to know the distance between 5 and 13. So we know the answer has to be positive because distances are always positive. So if we looked at these on a number line, we have 0 here, 5 would be somewhere along here, and 13 would be somewhere along here. And we know, whoops, that is terrible. Let me try that one again. Oh, it's not deleting. Okay, well, what is this distance right here between 5 and 13? What is that measurement? So to do that, we will take the absolute value of 13, which is 13, and subtract the absolute value of 5, which is 5, and that is a measurement of 8. Now, you could really get into detail here and say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and simply go ahead then and count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's where we get our 8 from. Alright, so we're going to work on finding the distance between two numbers. So one of the things you have to know is whenever you're looking for a distance, your answer is always going to be positive because the distance is always positive. We talked about this with absolute value. So the first example we're going to deal with here is when the signs are different. So we have negative 12 and 20. So if you were to think of this on a number line, where these numbers are situated, we have our number line. In the middle we have 0. And over on the right we'd have our 20. And somewhere on the left would be negative 12. So we want to know what is this distance between the two. So to do that, we want to first look at how far away is negative 12 from 0. Well, it is 12 units away. And also we want to say how far away is 20 from 0, which it is 20 units away. So in this case, we would simply add 20 plus 12, which would give our distance of a positive 32. So the distance between negative 12 and 20 is 32. Our last problem here, we have negative 15 and negative 3. We want to find the distance. So remember, distances are always going to be positive. So we could write it out on a number line. And we have negative 15 here. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we are looking for this measurement right here. So we could count it. We could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know it's 12. Another way to do it, though, is do the absolute value subtraction. So we have the absolute value of negative 15 is 15, absolute value of negative 3 is 3. If we were to subtract those, we would also get 12. So there's a couple different ways to find it. The thing I want to stress is that the distance is always going to be a positive value.